everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a goldfish with the Rubik's Twist 24 block. So pretty much count 3 blocks and then turn it twice, then count 2 blocks and turn it twice, and then count, and then turn it like this, and then count 3 blocks and turn it twice. And then get this block and turn it up, like that. And then get that block and then turn it up again. So then get this block and turn it to the right. And then turn this block all the way down to the bottom. And then turn this one to the back, like that. Okay, so now look at it from the bottom of the fish. The bottom of the goldfish, and then turn that one down like that so it matches, and then turn that one like that, and then now turn this back up to the top from the other side. Okay, next turn that block to the left, and then turn that block all the way down to the bottom. Then turn this to the back, and it won't quite fit. That's because of this block. Turn this block, so look at it like that, and then turn this block to the right. And then now it'll fit. And then, so turn these last 3 blocks up to the top, and then turn the final block down down twice. So, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So that is how you make a goldfish. Like that, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right next to it, which is right down below, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my